Up next, from the windy city of Chi-Town, Chirac. It's funny because we brought some Chicago artists up here and they said they don't call it Chirac. We don't even use that name. That's the media gave us that name. Spike Lee movies and all that gave us that name, but we don't even use that. So shout out to Chicago, Chi-Town. Phoenix Flames from South Africa, Pretoria. Chef Coldy, you up first. First beat of the second round. This beat is called Dukes of Coldy. 60 seconds. Let's get it.
Damn, Coldy. What you cooking, G?
All right. That was Chef Coldy bringing that cold vibe. I like that. That was crazy. Shout out to Chef Coldy. You've been cooking up. You've been chefing for real, for real. Phoenix Flames, let's see what you got to say in response to that. This beat is called African King. Nothing more to say after that. Drop the beat. All right, that beat was called African King, like Zulu, like Shaka. All right, you heard Chef Coldy, you heard Phoenix Flames. Let's go to the polls and see who got this round, who was making it to the top four tonight. Tight battle. Both are previous winners. Both are previous champs. Chef Coldy won twice. Phoenix Flames won once. So let's go to the polls and see which champ prevails tonight. Which of these two are going to the top four? First producer to 6 takes it. All right. I just got to make sure my eyes are seeing clearly because I don't want no hiccups in the final rounds. So, my eyes see clearly. Phoenix Flames got 6. So, Phoenix Flames is moving on down the yellow brick road to the top 4. Shout out to Phoenix Flames representing South Africa. He brought that Shaka Zulu vibe with him, that spirit of Shaka to make his way on down. But shout out to Chef Coldy. You are a 2-time champ. You are still a champ. Always going to be a champ. Salute to you. For anybody who does not know, our intro beat is Chef Coldy. So every time we open the show and you hear that crazy beat, that's Chef Coldy. All right? So shout out to Chi-Town. Shout out to Chicago. Shout out to Coldy. Coldy dropped a project not too long ago. So definitely hit him up. Check that project out on IG. And as he gave us all the heads up, Metro and 21 Savage dropping a project tonight. So that's going to be another one for the books, another classic. All right. So with that being said, South Africa is moving on. But guess what? Botswana is back.